Good morning, students. Myself, Dr. K.P. Yadav, head the Department of English, Sri Vishwanath PG College, Kalan Sultan. Last day we were discussing our unsolved paper. I was on question number 60. I was on question number 60. Question number 60 was for a Pandaf hije. Right answer was painter, C number. I ended 60 number question. The unsolved paper was going on 2018. This is BA first year English class. Become on 61 number question. BA first year English solved paper. From 61 number question is Shakespeare has dedicated his sonnets to. As I told you in the last video that Shakespeare composed 154 sonnets. In his 126 sonnets, Shakespeare has addressed W.H. In his 26 sonnets, Shakespeare has addressed Dark Lady. And in his 2 sonnets, Shakespeare has addressed Cupid. In this way, he has written 154 sonnets. Question: Shakespeare has dedicated his sonnets to W.H. There is right answer. Answer number B, Mr. W.H. B number. Mr. W.H. W.H. full form William Herbert. Shakespeare has dedicated his 126 sonnet to Mr. William Herbert W.H. Next number question 62. Robert Browning is, as you know that Robert Browning was a great poet of Victorian age. Alfred Tennyson is called the representative poet of Victorian age. Robert Browning and Matthew Arnold are also the great poet of Victorian era. Robert Browning is a great poet of optimistic poet. Robert Browning is a optimistic poet. B number question. As in his poem he has said that God is in his heaven, all is right with the world. In this way, you can say God is in his heaven, all is right with the world. These lines prove that Browning was a great optimistic poet. Optimistic who has positive side of the life. A poet who goes through the positive side of life. On the other hand, a poet who goes through dark side of the life, negative side of the life is called pessimistic. Browning is optimistic poet. 62 number question. Right answer is Browning. Robert Browning is a optimistic poet. Optimistic poet. Optimistic poet. Robert Browning is optimistic poet. Next, 63 number question is a poem written in the form of an address is a poem in which the poet introduce something is called sonnet. Sonnet is a poem in which the poet as Shakespeare has addressed himself in his sonnet, so Shakespeare's sonnet is autobiographical, as Wordsworth has said that Shakespeare has unlocked his heart in his sonnet. Sonnet is a poem written in the form of an address. 63 number question, right answer is sonnet. A poem written in the form of an address is sonnet. B number. Sonnet. Next number question 64 number question is my last duchess is As I told you in the last video that Robert Browning was a great masterpiece poet of dramatic monologue. He is famous for his dramatic monologue. My Last Duchess is a dramatic monologue. The question number 64. My Last Duchess is a dramatic monologue. A number question. A number option is right option. 64 right answer is A number option. Dramatic monologue. Dramatic monologue. Dramatic monologue. Robert Browning is a great. Robert Browning is a My Last Duchess is a dramatic monologue. 65 number question is who has been called Blithe Spirit? This word has come for Skylark in the poem To a Skylark by Shelley. Shelley has addressed Skylark to a blithe spirit. Who has been called Blithe Spirit? Skylark. Skylark is B number. B number option is right option. Skylark. Next number question. 66 number question. Prioress is a character in Chaucer's prologue to the Canterbury Tales. Prioress is a nun. She was a nun. Prioress is a nun. Prioress is a nun. C number option is right option. Next number question. The theme of Shakespearean sonnet. 67 number question. As you know that Shakespeare has written 154 sonnet in Shakespearean style or English style. His sonnet is divided into 3 quatrains, which rhyming style is AB, AB, CD, CD, EF, EF, and at last one couplet which rhyming style is GG. And its theme in the question, the theme of Shakespearean sonnet, love, beauty, friendship. Love and beauty is there. There is love and beauty. B number option is right option. Love and beauty. Love and beauty. Love and beauty is the theme of Shakespearean sonnet. 68 number question. The theme of Hessian Mine. The theme of Hessian Mine is written by Alexander Pope, a great new classical poet, whose age is called Augustan age in English literature. He has said that the mine is the Hessian Mine. Hessian Mine in his poem Hessian Mine, Pope has described that the study of mine is the best study for human being. He has said this, the theme of Hessian Mine is human nature. The theme of Hessian Mine is B number option is right option. Human nature. Human nature is the theme of the essay on mine. Next question. I have ended 68 questions. We come on 69. Question number 69 is Wordsworth says that a mind wastes his powers in. As you know that in your syllabus, Wordsworth has written the poem The World is Too Much With Us, in which he has told that mind is busy in spending and earning. Spending getting and spending, which is not good. He must observe the nature. Wordsworth says that a man wastes his powers in getting and spending. In his poem, The World is Too Much with Us. 69 number question, right answer is getting and spending. Getting and spending. Getting and spending. Getting and spending. Next number 70 number question is The Solitary Reaper is a romantic poem. As you know that romantic poem in which the poet criticized the life. Poetry is a criticism of life. Romantic poem. The poet exposed the reality of the universe. The poet has exposed the reality of the universe. The Solitary Reaper is a romantic poem written by William Wordsworth. The Solitary Reaper is a romantic poem. Romantic poem, that is B number option is right option. Romantic poem. The Solitary Reaper is a romantic poem. Next, 71 number question is who has been called the high priest of nature? William Wordsworth is called the high priest of nature. Critics have said William Wordsworth the high priest of nature because his poetry is the poetry of nature. He has exposed nature, all the form of nature as a teacher, as a guide, and in so many forms. That is why Wordsworth is called the high priest of nature. Wordsworth is called the high priest of nature. 71 number question. Who has been called the high priest of nature? Wordsworth. D number option is right option. Wordsworth. Wordsworth is called the high priest of nature. Next, 72 number question is when John Keats read Chapman's Homer, he felt like. John Keats has written a poem in your course, Chapman's Homer. As you know that Keats was impressed Homer, so he is called Greece by birth. Shelley has called Keats Greece by birth, and he has also criticized that Keats never be a great poet. Hellenic poet, he is also called Hellenic, a poet in whose poetry there is Greece metaphor similes are applied. Such poet is called Hellenic poet, Greece poet. When John Keats read Chapman's Homer, he felt like Homer. Homer has written Iliad and Odyssey, who was a Greek poet. A number option is right option. Homer. Next question. 73 number question. John Keats has written a poem named Ode to Autumn in your course, in which he has told autumn, compared autumn to mists. In the first stanza and in the second stanza, he has compared autumn to reaper. B number option is right option. B number, reaper. B number option is reaper. 73. 74 number. Who has been called a Greek? As I told you, Keats, John Keats has been called Greek by birth. Who has called Keats Greek by birth? Who has been called a Greek? John Keats. And who has called Keats Greek? Shelley. Who has been called a Greek? A number option, John Keats. 74 number question, right option is A number, John Keats. John Keats. John Keats is called Greece by birth. Next number question is 75 number question, Ulysses is poem. As you know that the poem Ulysses has been written by great poet named Alfred Lord Tennyson. Alfred Lord Tennyson has written the representative poet. Tennyson, the representative poet of Victorian era, has written the poem Ulysses, in which Ulysses is a poem about action, in which Ulysses acts throughout his life until he dies. In this way, Tennyson has addressed to the people, Addison has addressed to the people to be inspired, to Ulysses. Addison has addressed the people to inspire to Ulysses. Ulysses is poem about action. 75 number answer is action. 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 Next number question 76. 76 is as though to breathe our life is a line from the poem. This line has been taken from as though to breathe our life is a line from the poem Ulysses. In Ulysses, the poet says that as though to breathe our life. Ulysses says that this is not the real aim of life, to breathe only, but to struggle, as though to breathe our life. It is not the real aim, to struggle to action, as though to breathe our life, is a line from the poem Ulysses. D number option. D number option is right option. Ulysses. Ulysses. In this way, in the next video, I shall meet you again. Thanks.